And then what you want to do with these, make sure you just put that little bit of card there, because see this little bit of card? It makes all the difference. If you didn't do it with a card, and then you tighten that up, I'm going to show you an example. You tighten that up, you can hear it scraping on that back. Yeah? You can hear it scraping on that. So, you don't have to use a card if you don't want. But the card is there, so you may as well use it. Get it? Oh, no. Get it? Push it on. That way, when this goes down, you know that that's not hitting it. You know that's not hitting the frame, and it's leaving just that a couple of mil gap. And that, tighten that up. Pull that out, and it just moves just perfect, and it's just beautiful. And that is what you want. This shower has got the marking there. I don't like them hanging down there, I prefer it up, so a customer can decide whatever they want. And that is how we fit the shower. Fish Bash Boss, don't forget to like, share and follow. Always remember, MDAC Kitchens and Bathrooms is always here. Always here, always happy to help. It is beautiful. Now, next two items. When we're doing this part here, when you're setting up, what you got to always remember is never. I don't know if this is on or if it's off. If it's on, if it's off. If it's on, if it's off. It's off. Yeah, I got a bit of a shiny look here. I got my little bomber jacket on in it. You can buy this in the TikTok shop, bottom left hand corner. Always get their thing. See that? Look at that. That's what you always got to think of. See that? Screw this into the back plate, and then you're going to know how many turns you're going to do it, yeah? So that's no good like that. That's full stop, yeah? So what you need to do is, you need to turn it back, and then you need to mark that. Oh baby! What you're doing is you're marking it on the side, yeah? So when you're turning it in, you know when you get into this turn here, this side, that point, bang on, Fish Bash Boss. Now we'll unscrew it, we'll get some tissue, dry the ceiling. And remember, I am 6'4". I'm 6'4", so I'm very tall. This shower is built for little small people, you know what I mean? A lot of buff to tape around that, and then we'll screw it on. And as you can you see me marking there? So as soon as I know when I'm coming round on this side that my marking's there, I know not to turn it again. Otherwise the shower's going to end up like that. So we're going to buff it up. So we put enough buff to tape on when we turn it. We're going to have it like that. That part's going to be at the back of it. And that is going to be looking down. Beautiful. Don't forget to like, share and follow. And then for this part, plenty of PTFE. And then watch, plenty of silicone, yeah? Even though water might not ever get up there, but what happens if someone puts a jet shower on it? Do you know what I mean? Then it gets up there. Reason why I'm putting it round here, because this hole's that tight. If I put it around that hole, it'd end up going in the pipe there, and we don't want it in the pipe. Upstairs for thinking, downstairs for dancing. Then, see what I mean here? Watch this, watch this. This is just going to go in beautifully. That feels is slack. No, me not going to risk it. Feel too slack that. I did put 15 rounds around it. Obviously 15 rounds didn't go close enough to the edge. So what we're doing, always make sure when you're putting it in, you're turning it that way, yeah, pulling it tight, yeah. Okay. I've got liquid on this as well, but I don't trust it. So we like a bit of a bit more. See it, beautiful. Just a little bit more. Make sure that's clean, make sure that's spotless, yeah? Hey! Cracky on, lads, cracky on. Sometimes when you just feel, when you stick it in and it's a bit loose, and you think, that's not good, not good, no, not good. Oh, that's better, I can feel it, Last turn. Get a little level. Little level on it now, treble. We like perfection. Oh yeah, this cat's not there. Oh, that's just perfect. Perfect. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Now this I keep telling people this is the most vital part of the situation. See these silicone around there? Wipe it in, squash it in, yeah? Beautiful. Beautiful. That is what we're talking about. In the shower room, remember, these tiles look nice, but they're a lot of work. And look at that. That is just perfection. Look at that. Ooh. What does that remind you of, lads? You've all got mucky minds, haven't you? Especially you women. Sat there with your tongue out. Make sure it's perfect like that. That's perfect coming down. Remember, I am 6'4". Remember, this room's made for dwarfs. So if you're a dwarf, you'll like it. If you're a dwarf, you could buy it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Next job, this one.